My name's Robert Wagner. I've been with the Monroe organization for about 2.5 years, working here with their North Branford, Connecticut facility. If I was asked what I think our greatest strengths are, I would say it'd have to be our staff. We have a very well-tenured staff made up of a bunch of long-time employees with a lot of experience in the industry, mixed in with some newly acquired talent. Over the last couple of years, we've also made a point of identifying and developing rock stars within the operation and allowing them to grow. And in the end, what we end up with is a very incredible team that excels in all aspects of the operation, from supply chain management, sourcing materials, production, quality, in the end, overall, just servicing the customer. And I think we do a great job of that.
Hi, I'm Steve Sweet. I've been with OneMonroe for, been in this facility for over 30 years. Our tight control of the job as it's going through the shop is improving and has been a very exciting aspect of our business. And OneMonroe has been very helpful in improving that situation.
My name is Jeff Abelli. I've been here for about 2.5 years. I'm a quality engineer. And they brought me on to help improve our quality and improve our efficiency. I've been working a lot on our processes and process control.
One of the advantages of being acquired by a company like OneMonroe is the available resources, right? So you take the limited resources we might have as a small entity here in North Branford, Connecticut, to suddenly having, these far-reaching tentacles that go throughout the country and even across the world. And so that's one of the advantages we have with belonging to OneMonroe.